I see you.
Hey guys, this is Jamie with the Miles Squad. We're at Tractor Supply and we're checking out their stuff here.
So good to see you. Right this way to the graveyard. So good of you to drop by. We've been expecting you. The chamber ahead is where the fun begins. Welcome. Right this way. We've been dying to meet you.
All right, guys, that was it for our Tractor Supply video. Just stay tuned to the channel for some more videos from me and Miles.